Okay, what's up? Fatboy in here. I'm along with my son Hunter Gage. Now, me and him's out here at Fowler Park on Alzay's field trip for class. Doing a little bit of, touring up Fowler Park. Took some old cabins in there. We went into some cabins for school. Meantime, me and my son's out here fishing with my daughter. She gave up fishing. She really ain't catching none. Hunter, you been catching fish today? That's just a little sneak peek of some of the videos that's coming to you guys soon. Not really on Facebook, but it's going to be on YouTube. Hunter, go ahead and release your fish. He done fishing. He want to go pay. We're going to go play then. Let the fish to live.